guys can see, this is my hairline right here. After getting the procedure done through Dr. Huber, we went ahead and rebuilt my temples. As you can see through the front, there's definitely a beautiful hairline now. Not quite original thickness I had back when I was younger, but when you get the procedure done, he kind of tells you what to expect. So I'm very happy with my results. Here's a shot from the top. All the work I had done was directly in the front. I didn't have anything done in the back. Just kind of rebuilt my hairline and temples. Here's a side shot, if you guys can see that. No issues. Scar, no visible scar issue, nothing like that. Overall, very, very happy with the procedure. Definitely worth it. My barber has commented he's had people come in and have had similar procedures. Very visible scars up to quite a bit, substantial, like the side width of your finger. Just can't hide it. Even if you grow your hair out and lay it over the back, you can't hide it. So he said he's never seen a scar like mine. Can't even see the scar, and he cuts my hair every 2 weeks. So overall, I definitely think it's worth it. If you guys are considering it, go for it. Definitely worth it. Life changing, actually. It's it'll change your life around. Dr. Huber will put some pictures of me before and after. It's worth it, guys. If you are considering it, save up your pennies, get it done. It is worth it. Dr. Huber's the man. So hopefully in the future I can get another procedure. I think after you have the first one done, you just want more. Everybody always wants more. You get a little greedy, but so whether or not I get another procedure done, I'm super happy with the results that I got. So thank you, awesome. Dr. Huber and his staff. Reached out to me. I flew all the way from Portales, New Mexico. So flew out to Florida. They got me in and out. It was 1 day. I was able to fly home the next day. So you can't beat it. So thank you to Dr. Huber and the team, okay?
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.